In this video, I will show you how to use X Parental Control and Family Center. First, launch open the X application. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, look for the option of Content You See. Then tap on Sensitive Media. Go ahead and uncheck the box that says Display Media that contain sensitive content. Then head back. Now, you want to tap on the Chats option. In the section of Allow Message Request From, set it to No One. Now, for audio and video calls, you want to select people you follow. After that, head back. Now tap on the Audience and Tagging option. Toggle on the option of Protect Your Post and then Protect Your Video. Then head back and select Mute and Block. Here select Muted Words. Now add specific word, phrases or hashtag to filter them out in your timeline and notification. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.